2002, right after college, I started an event planning firm. In 2008, I started a blog as a marketing platform to share weddings and events and hopefully retain additional clients. It was really fun, and I realized that I enjoyed writing and sharing photos, so I started sharing in the off-season some of our easy entertaining ideas when entertaining friends at home, effortless recipes, and even a little home decor. One of the most important things that I learned through my years of event planning is that it doesn't have to be expensive to be thoughtful. You'll see that philosophy integrated into our home to make it warm and inviting. I've chosen warm pink colors, cozy throws, really easy laid-back furniture in hopes that guests would feel welcome. We are blessed to enjoy two homes. The one that is our primary residence, which I've decorated in a more traditional Tudor style, and our lake cottage, which I've taken a little more of a modern approach with. It's really fun to explore both of these avenues, but yet integrate some of the same philosophies of blending high and low and old and new. I take a minimalist approach to design. I love to incorporate things that are both functional and beautiful into our decor. Sometimes that means it's a platter that hangs on our wall that I can remove to serve with. Other times that means that our bar is functional in our living room, but it's hidden away behind the cabinet. I love to share how we integrate design and function so that you can do it too. Prior to being an event planner, I worked in college for a catering company whose philosophy was that food should look as good as it tastes. I integrated that same philosophy into a lot of my recipes, making really easy but beautiful and achievable appetizers, sides, desserts, salads, and more. I am Julie Blanner from the lifestyle blog julieblanner.com, where I share entertaining and design that celebrates everyday life. To me, that means easy recipes that allow me to spend more time together with my family, effortless design that's easy to clean and looks beautiful too, but most importantly, comfortable, and entertaining where we can share our home with friends and family. Join me so you can celebrate everyday life in your home too.